Alright.
Do I look ugly?
What?
Do I look ugly?
No, you're hot.
Thanks. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put together my brand new filming room. I'm very proud about how this turned out. And I'm very excited to film videos in this room and have a lot more space and to have a table to put all my stuff on. I am super duper excited and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and thank you so much for watching. I also have to go get a smaller brush so I can get into the little areas over in here where you can see it's still yellow and stuff because I didn't trust the roller. So I'm gonna go get a little paintbrush and then we'll put the second coat on. We'll do all that and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have the second coat on. This right here, we can see where it's still yellow. I am gonna paint this white. Same with here, this little walkway area. It is gonna be painted white, so that'll be later. But I'm gonna let this dry. While this dries, I'm gonna clean my kitchen and clean up this stuff. And then I will come back and we'll take off all the tape and we're gonna start decorating. So here is an overview of it when my filming stuff is not out, because I am using this as my entryway as well. I am gonna go see if I can find a shelf because I have this cute little like planetarium plant thing that I want to put over here, and then I'm gonna get hooks for coats and things like that. And then over here is like my mirrors and stuff for the closet. The closet, we store a lot of our stuff in here, like my suitcases, my makeup suitcase, my table for filming is in here, my bag for my ring light, and then my chair for filming. And then hold on, once I get a computer, this thing will be used for a green screen or like different backdrops and things like that. But then I have this that I'm going to be moving my makeup into now. So what I'm going to do with organizing my makeup and things like that, I'm going to keep like my everyday products in the bathroom for me getting ready, but like down here I have all my eyeshadows and my different powders and different foundations. Those are going to go into that drawer thing. And then so really all I'm going to keep is like my brushes really in the bathroom. The rest of it I like change every day, so I can just walk over there, go grab what I need, etc, etc. So that's what's going to happen with all of this. I basically have all of my makeup moved. I took the top off of this so I can just easily grab my eyeshadow palettes better, because I felt that if I pulled this drawer out it would have been too top heavy and it would have tipped over, because I do have it on that thing. So I went ahead and I did that. And then down here I have my primers and my foundations and powders and things like that. And this drawer has all of my like mascaras, eye primers, eyeliners, my lippies, and then my false lashes, my Stila. And then this drawer just has like my other organizer that I may use. I haven't really decided yet. And then I have like little baggies that I can use to take my makeup places, so I don't take that giant suitcase with me everywhere. So yeah. All I have left is to like finish up this wall and put a rug, and then it'll be done. So then after I get that wall done and have the rest of the decorations and the rug on the floor, I'm going to shower, and then I'm going to show you guys how I set up for a video, because I am going to be filming a video today. So that'll be coming. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. I enjoyed it. And without further ado, I love you all, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day.